If you're experiencing FPS drops in GTA 5 and want to optimize your game for better performance, follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum and recommended system requirements for GTA 5. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space to confirm they are adequate for smooth gameplay. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. Installing the most recent drivers can significantly enhance performance and fix bugs that may cause FPS drops. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Launch GTA 5 and navigate to the graphics settings menu. Lower settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Reducing these settings can help increase your FPS and overall performance. Step 4. Optimize Windows settings. Close unnecessary background applications and disable any startup programs that may consume system resources. Additionally, adjust your power settings to high performance in the Windows control panel to ensure your PC is using its full potential. Step 5. Monitor and manage temperature. Use software to monitor your CPU and GPU temperatures while playing. If temperatures are too high, consider cleaning your PC, improving airflow, or investing in better cooling solutions to prevent thermal throttling that can lead to FPS drops. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your GTA 5 performance and a reduction in FPS drops. Enjoy your gaming.